All right, so this is a video to give you the insight on the AI trading bot that I've been talking about. And for the people who ask me, how much capital do I need to start with? How does it work? X, Y, Z, this is going to be the breakdown of that. Okay, so we use a Telegram wallet called Maestro to do the trading for us. Okay, or we load our crypto on Telegram rather, and I have an AI who runs my wallet that you would be copying one to one. So when it buys, you buy. When it sells, you sell. Okay, so this is what it looks like on autopilot today. There was a buy of $380 and then a sell $400. So that's like 20 bucks right there, right? That's like an 8% return. Something really small, but it was in 7 minutes. Okay. Now, this is the group that I have for the AI copy trading, and this is where I post, updates, wins, things like that. As you all can see, this was like 8 minutes, and this was like a double on your money, double on what you invested, in 8 minutes, 8 minute times. Okay. And then we go to, this is a group called Wins where I just post like some of our largest wins in here. And you see 91%, you see 249, you see 43, you see 100, you see 45, you see 100%. So this is where I just post a lot of our big wins, as you guys can see. So the onboarding fee to get this set up, to get everything configured, is a one-time payment of 300 a month. I'm sorry, one-time payment of 300, excuse me. And it's a monthly fee of $200 a month. So 500 is due at the same time. Now, with that, the amount of capital that you need will depend on your specific goals. Okay. So if you want safe returns, then I would recommend you start with at least 1,000 to 1,500 for safe returns. The reason why I say safe returns is because you'll be able to invest with a larger amount in per trade, and it's not relative to how much that you have. So let's say you have to invest with like $200, 250, but you got $1,500 to invest with. That 200, 250 isn't a lot. But let's say you start with 500 and you invest with 250, $200, is about half of your portfolio. Now you can do that, but it's just more risky based off of, you only have 500 to invest with. So the more that you have, the safer it is. I would say 1,000 to 1,500, really about 1,500 is like the safe range. High risk range is anything under 1,000, 500 bucks, it's pretty high risk. But you can go up to, three, four, $5,000 and, comfortably trade with $250 to $300 per trade comfortably, and not have to, worry about, you know, drawdown or small loss or anything like that, because we do have losses. They're small compared to the wins, but losses do happen, and sometimes you may see a negative percentage before it sells and becomes positive. So you may look at it like, oh man, it's going down, or blah blah blah, what's going on, what's happening. That's normal to have that type of concern. But at the same time, if you have a good amount invested, you wouldn't have to worry about that. So the blockchains that we trade on is on Ethereum and Solana. Okay, so you would need to split up your capital on Solana and Ethereum. I would say you could put 70% in Ethereum and 30% in Solana, and just break it up like that. So again, the onboarding fee is a one-time payment of 300, and the monthly membership is 200 a month, and that gets you into the group that I showed you, and it automatically monitors subscriptions. So you would need to have a credit card on file, not a prepaid card or debit card, because it will decline if you don't have money on it and boot you out the group, and then we have to reset and do everything all over again. So you want to use a credit card for payment. Very easy to do. If you need to pay down your credit card, these are adult things that you have to do. So this is an investment, so you have to get your business in order to take advantage of these opportunities. So that's the info. If you're interested, shoot me a DM and let me know that you're ready to get started. And if you have any other questions, I can definitely answer them for you. Thanks.